The definition of large language models is a deep learning algorithm trained on massive amounts of text data that uses neural network-based architectures to generate human-like language by predicting word sequences based on probabilistic patterns. Huh? In under 5 minutes, I'll get you from huh to aha on large language models, which are also known as LLMs. Starting at the 8th grade level, a large language model is the underlying technology powering artificial intelligence computer programs like ChatGPT. It learns how people talk and write by reading massive amounts of information. It then helps you explain things, answer questions, or write something new just by typing in a prompt. It matters because if you're working on a tough assignment or don't know how to say something clearly, you can type in a prompt and start, revise, or get ideas faster. What this means to you is you don't have to be stuck or wait for help. You have a personal assistant ready and able to help you quickly with no judgment. Next, let's bump it up a bit for the college graduate. A large language model is an artificial intelligence system trained on huge amounts of text designed to predict and generate human-like language. In addition to writing, editing, researching, summarizing, and translating languages, LLMs can help with technical tasks like coding. It matters because as you start your career or try to launch a new venture, LLMs allow you to do more with less. What this means to you is you can innovate, scale, and automate your work faster without breaking the bank, and compete at a higher level from day one. Finally, for the intellectually curious, a large language model is a statistical language model trained to simulate human expression across topics and formats using natural language processing, NLP. LLMs are built using neural networks, which are inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes, neurons, that process information and learn from data. It matters because LLMs offer unprecedented access to information that can facilitate deeper exploration of complex topics. What this means to you is you can move from knowledge consumption to insight generation using LLMs as a thinking partner that accelerates synthesis, perspective shifting, and sense-making. Next, let's go from concept to concrete. 3 quick examples. The first example is e-commerce. LLMs allowed Instacart to build an internal AI assistant that helps employees write better code, answer technical questions, and build tools faster. This freed up time and improved how teams worked across the company. Example 2 is social media. Yelp used LLMs to scan reviews and detect threats, personal attacks, or hate speech. This helped keep the platform safer and less toxic without relying only on manual review. And example 3 is banking. Morgan Stanley built an AI system using LLMs that answers employee questions about regulations and policies by pulling from a huge library of internal documents, which saved time and reduced errors in compliance work. Want to learn more about LLMs? Then continue the Triple Play series, 1 concept, 3 ways to learn by playing the What's an LLM Crossword challenge, all words. No cross as well as LLMs, 3 truths and 1 lie. And if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more learning without the lecture that enlightens, tests, and stretches your neural muscles. Until next time, nerdy and proud.